Good morning, Tien.
Morning. How's it going?
What are we learning today?
All right, so on all our test lists, we remove all the emblems, the T's, the Model X, all the lettering, so that we can do a full wrap, so that we can get under the emblems and then we put brand new ones on. So if you see this here, this is a Model 3 that we did a full matte clear bra on, and then they're touching it up right now, finishing it up for delivery. So we're gonna actually install a new emblem here. So we have all the right tools from Tesla, brand new. And then we do this with every single Tesla that we do. So we're just gonna clean it with isopropyl alcohol, the area that we're sticking. You see, this literally just goes right in here. You can see right here, follows that right there. And it's a perfect install every time. So if you have little holes right there, just goes right on there. It's just double-sided tape. So I can just take this off right here. Take this off. So there's double-sided tape there. I'll just follow the holes. Just make sure this is all locked in there. Stick it in that hole. One time, bam. It's in there. Take this off. Perfect install every time, brand new tee. Most shops will actually have a pattern that cuts it around there, and it shows an ugly cut around it, and dirt gets stuck in there. But with this, you get a clean install with no seams again. Here we have a Model 3 Performance that was a black Model 3, and we did a full matte clear bra on top of it. We're just finishing it up. I just put the brand new tee on. They're just going around and cleaning up the corners. We're gonna put all the emblems and stuff like that back on. This also got a window tint. If you can see, all our trunk installs are one piece. If you can see really closely here, there's no seam here. A lot of shops seam it right there, but we actually do a full one-piece stretch. All right, this is the Model 3 camera that we took out here. So like we take out all the cameras, like I said, the emblems, all that stuff, so that we can get a cleaner, seamless install. Obviously we finished this panel, the vehicle ready to get touched up. We're gonna just install this here. So it just literally just pops in like that, like that. Just pops in like this. And most shops here, they would have the pattern cut around here, and it's a huge gap. With us, we take that out, wrap behind there, and just put it right back on for a seamless install. And doesn't that look a lot better than having a cutout camera?
Yep. Yes.